to show you today is the Star Wars Anakin to Vader color change lightsaber toy by Hasbro. It's a lot of fun. It has lights and sound, and it makes a swinging sound. Has red too. It only has blue and red. And I like the lights and sounds. That's my favorite part of it. And because it makes it look more like a lightsaber. And it makes you feel more like a Jedi. It's 34 inches. I used a tape measure to find out. And so you might want to have a big room to do all the things. It takes 3 AA batteries. Don't worry about putting batteries in when you buy it because it already has batteries in it, demo batteries. And I don't like this. I don't like, see that right there? That's how I turn it on. I don't like it how there's one button for 2 colors. Which there was one separate button for a certain color. The handle is sometimes not very comfortable, and I want to tell you that because when I first started playing with these, I used it like that. And then when I start swinging it, it's like pushing against me, and I had a little cut right there, and it's just stinging me. So I went like that, and it's a lot more comfortable. And you have a lot more agility if you're a kid. Put it up here. When you're grown up, you can do whatever you want down here, up here, or right there. It has a stiff blade, and it's very good quality. And me and my sister have played with these every day for 2 months, and they've held up pretty well. The batteries last about 1 month, and sometimes there's little dead spots. They're just little. They're about 1 inch long. So you can't really notice them, but the rest of the blade goes. And now this is what it's going to do when you buy it. It's going to be like this. It's going to do this. That's what it's going to do. And that's why I'm going to tell you how to prevent. It's going to look like that, and you want to slide it down like that. And it has those stuff. It's a lot of fun, again, and I really, really like it. What they both look like in the dark.